This is a Quikcell Advocate cell phone case with a little kickstand built into it. This is for a Samsung Galaxy A53. They make it for other Galaxy models as well. You can see there's a hard plastic outer shell and then a soft, chewy rubber shell in the middle. So to put it on your phone, you just put the rubber part on the phone and it kind of glops on there like that. And then you pick up the hard plastic part and you snap it in place. That way you get a little bit of shock absorption and protection from the hard shell, and the rubber keeps it a little bit safer by being able to bounce around. And then the buttons on the sides you can see there, and also the camera is recessed, so it's protected from damage if you put it flat on the surface. And then there is the magical kickstand, so that's a bonus. If you want to watch movies, you can definitely use the kickstand to do that, or use it to take selfies as well. That's the hidden feature on this case that you don't get with other cases. So that is the Quikcell Advocate cell phone case, and you can see the buttons are raised on the side and easy to press. You've got your charger hole there, and pretty much a basic cell phone case, but with a kickstand. So that's it, the Quikcell Advocate. If you like that, I'll put some links in the description. If you've got a Samsung Galaxy phone and you're looking for a case, the Quikcell is a good way to go.